something suddenly awoke him as it ran over his head.
"Whatever's that?"
he exclaimed, and he shot out a paw and grabbed a small mouse that he'd not seen before. The lion roared in anger.
"You woke me as I slept. I shall eat you for supper."
Please don't,
The mouse wept.
King Lion. You are powerful, mighty, and strong. Please don't eat a poor mouse who meant you no wrong.
"Ha ha ha!"
laughed the lion.
"It's true. You are weak. I am strong, as you say. So I'll let you speak."
I am sorry I woke you. Please be kind. Let me go. I may one day repay you. You really don't know.
"You repay me?"
The lion laughed,
"That's a joke."
but he let the mouse go, and he gave him a poke, saying,
"Off you go, little mouse. I don't expect you'll be back. At the most, you'd have made me a very small snack."
So the mouse bowed in thanks and then went on her way, and the lion never saw her until it happened one day he was taking his usual stroll in the jungle when a rope trap ensnared him, and he got in a tangle. He struggled and struggled, but the ropes only got tighter. It didn't help in this case to be a great fighter.
"Help! Let me out! Let me free! I'm in pain!"
But his roaring and crying were to be all in vain, until a small mouse in the bushes pricked up her ears and ran to his aid and swallowed her fears.
Remember me, Your Highness.
She found the courage to say,
You showed me kindness, and I said that one day I'd repay you. And now I'm really quite sure I can help you.
and then, quickly, she started to gnaw away at the ropes until she'd gnawed a big hole which the lion fell through safely, body and soul.
"At last, I am free, little mouse, thanks to you. You may be small, but you are honest and true. Your honesty and kindness is where your strength lies. You came to my aid when you heard my cries."
The moral is surely, no matter how small, honesty and kindness makes the greatest of all.
Who dared to wake me up?
I'm sorry, Lion. I didn't mean to disturb you.
You're brave to disturb the king of beasts, but I'll gobble you up now. I'm hungry.
I'm sorry I disturbed you. Forgive me today, and I'll help you someday.
A tiny fellow like you helping me? Run away before I decide to eat you.
Thank you, Lion. I will never forget your kindness.
I'm hungry. I have to find something to eat. Not mushrooms. I eat meat. Wow, what luck that I found such a delicious piece of meat. It's a trap! Help! Help! Let me out! I think the mouse might help me. Thank you for helping me, mouse.
Be good, expect good. The lion spared my life, and I saved his.